Hello Pose, this is Trick and welcome to another episode of Trick Tries. Today I volunteer as tribute as Trick Tries! Archery Attack!
Arrow tag is popularized in Australia where archery attack and ngayon andito rin sila sa Philippines. It's basically archery pero imbes na may stationary target ka, you get to shoot your friends for fun. Archery Attack Philippines have been setting up outdoor pop-ups sa BGC and iba pang mga corporate events pero ngayon meron na silang permanent base dito sa QC sa The Attack Arena. Yon, so ang atin pong itutugon, Arrow Tag by Archery Attack Philippines sa The Attack Arena. Di mo kailangan ng prior experience to archery to try out this activity kasi tuturuan naman nila kayo ng basics.
Try to reach the end of the arrow para full power. And when you're ready,
First time ko rin actually mag-try ng archery and well,
Bam! Katniss! Bernardo!
oh wait, baka sabihin na chamba lang. Mas magaan yung bows than usual kaya pwedeng-pwede kahit for the kids.
Makita rin natin, arrows are foam tip. So sobrang lambot niya, hindi ka masasaktan pag tinatamaan ka. Tapos meron silang provided dito na face mask na pwede isuot. So talagang nakaka-avoid ka sa injuries.
Release your inner Katniss when it comes to archery and battle with your friends.
I volunteer as tribute!
Para siyang archery na dodgeball na Hunger Games.
Grabe, ang intense nung laban. Pero yung sigaw nandito.
Kaya gusto kong part yung wala kayong arrow sa start tapos unahan kayo lahat makakuha sa center sa simula ng game.
Happy Hunger Games! And may the odds be ever in your favor.
Maraming possible gameplay pero this time ang ginawa namin ay ubusan ng 2 teams tapos pinakamaraming members na matira at the end of the time limit wins.
Are you feeling any pressure right now? Kamusta? Ilan na tamaan mo?
Ewan ko, hindi ko sure kung kasakit pa yun.
Ganun kadami. Na tao, hindi na pader.
Masaya siya, test of teamwork din. Challenge lang sa akin yung paglalagay ng bagong arrow kasi yun yung time na pinaka-vulnerable ka para ma-shoot ka kasi may mga blind spot din yung mga inflatables.
go Trick!
Kaya I suggest if magta-try kayo, move as partners para may magko-cover sa inyo habang naglo-load kayo ng arrow.
Sa kinagaling, yung pagiging Katniss Bernardo. Tigilan ko na.
That's it! I hope you enjoyed this video. First time ko mag-try ng archery and sobrang saya ko na ganitong way ko siya na-try. Thank you The Attack Arena for inviting us in your grand opening and for letting us experience Archery Attack. Bukod sa Archery Attack, you can also expect other activities na ma-add dito like martial arts classes, drone racing at iba pa. And syempre to Gab Hornacion and all the friends I've met from YTVPH. And shoutout from last episode's question to Mommy Neri Ann and Neil Fulo. Hello po sa inyo. This episode's question is, kung mapipili kayo as tribute sa Hunger Games, sinong fictional or non-fictional character yung gusto nyo maka-team up? Ako sa fictional, di ko alam pero naisip ko agad na pinaka-practical isama si Doraemon. Sa real life, siguro si Kuya Kim na lang para may mapagtanungan ako if nakakalason ba yung kakainin ko o kung wild ba yung animal. Comment nyo below kung sino and I'll pick lucky subscribers na ma-shoutout sa ating next Trick Tries episode. Yon, if this is your first time seeing me, welcome to my channel. For more traveling Kajologsan and videos like this, subscribe to my channel and you may also follow me on my other social media accounts. That's it! See you next video! Bye, Pose!
Hello Pose, this is Trick and welcome to another episode of Trick Tries. Today, pawis na pawis ako kasi nag-jacket ba naman ako.